Dear students, electric dipole along the equatorial line. You know this is called as equatorial line which is passing through the center and perpendicular to the axis of the dipole. So this is an equatorial line which is at a distance d here, and at this point you have to find out what is electric dipole along the equatorial line. Now because of the positive charge here, if you keep a test charge, you know there is a repulsion which is taken as E because of positive charge. Electric field intensity because of positive charge is E. Electric field intensity because of negative charge, which is attraction, because test pole is always positive charge, test charge is always positive charge. So positive repulsion, negative positive attraction in this direction. So because of positive charge, electric field intensity is E in this direction, okay? And because of negative charge, electric field intensity is again E because of attraction, because positive and negative will attract. So this E and this E are going to be same because the distance from positive to this point is the square root of d square plus L square, and from this point to the negative charge also square root of d square plus L square. Why is it so? Because you know electric dipole, the distance between the two dipoles is taken as 2L. So from the middle to here it is L, from the middle to that side it is also L here. So electric dipole, distance between the two electric dipoles is taken as 2L here, is it? So this is L, and from the middle it is taken as L. So hypotenuse means d square plus L square, here also d square plus L square. You all know what is the general formula for electric field intensity, which is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square. You know about this, isn't it? So what I am going to do here, I will take 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught as K by R square, where here R is nothing but d square plus L square under root, isn't it? So instead of, this is a general formula, but in this case what is the formula we are going to consider here? See, this is angle theta, means this is also angle theta because these two angles are corresponding angles. This is horizontal, this is horizontal. These two angles are same because they are said to be alternate interior angles here in this case, okay? Alternate interior angles. So anyhow, E because of positive charge and E because of negative charge, both are going to be same, which is taken as E K Q by R. R is square you are taking. So R square means it is d square plus L square. Root and square gets cancelled, you are getting only d square plus L square, that's it. So E because of positive charge, E because of negative charge is this much only. Okay, so because of E, the component in this direction is E cos theta. Because of this E, the component here is E cos theta. Therefore, E along the equatorial line is considered as, these two you have to add them, which can be written as 2E cos theta here, okay. So E along the equatorial line taken as 2E. E is nothing but this value, that is K Q by d square plus L square, that's it, isn't it? Cos theta means you have to take this cos theta because these two angles are same, these two angles are same, so therefore cos theta is taken as adjacent side, which is L, and hypotenuse, which is taken as d square plus L square under root can be taken as 1 by 2 here. Okay, so what I am going to get now, E along the equatorial line is taken as K here, and 2QL I am combined together here, and this is 1 and 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 you will take it as d square plus L square, which is 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2 here, isn't it? So E along the equatorial can be taken as, here you all know dipole moment formula is 2QL. Therefore here we can write as K can also be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is P divided by d square plus L square whole power 3 by 2. This is going to be your formula here, isn't it? This is going to be your formula. But for example, if length electric dipole L is much less than D, that means you are taking this point very far from the center. That means L can be neglected here. So L can be neglected means this part is cancelled. And what is left here, E along the equatorial line is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by d square into 3 by 2 gets cancelled here. So therefore we get E along the equatorial line as P by 4 pi epsilon naught into dq. That's it. Okay. So this is going to be our final formula. As we got E along the equatorial line as this one, along the axial line is 2P by 4 pi epsilon, whereas along the equatorial line it is only P by 4 pi epsilon naught into dq. That's it. So this is going to be along the equatorial line.